Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about how to upload the file using Node.js and the BusBoy. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we go with the code. Okay, so you have to install the Express and the busboy, right? So set up the route to handle the file uploads. That we know that how to set up the Express for the post request. Okay, so here we are initialization with the busboy header request headers, and here you can see the busboy on file. So here we are trying to upload the file. Okay, and if the file is saved, like completed for uploading, then we are going to log that the file, what the name of that file. Okay, console.log. And if it is finished, that the file uploaded successfully, and then return request.pipe.busboy. Okay, and the last one, that is on server if the port is listening. This is the small lines of code you can see to upload the files with the help of the busboy and the node.js. Let's see how to upload that one. Go to the postman and let's add the slash upload and check. So let's, already I have uploaded one file. I will show you the demo again. So I'm going to upload any of my downloads images. So here we can see the image is any kind of images we have. I think we have, this is 2233. Let's try to upload this image, and you can currently see that my folder have only one uploads, right? So let's try to send this, and here you can see it is uploaded. And if I go and check, here you can see the image is there, the t-shirt that I have uploaded, right? So this is how you are able to upload the images or anything, whether it's to be a video, mul- multiple images. I will show you in the next video how to upload the multiple images with the busboy and the node.js. But now the single images. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, then do like and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.